Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a broker website. So this broker I'm about to show you has features that allows you to be able to trade, allows you to be able to trade stocks. It also allows you to be able to make investments. So guys, in this video I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned, and if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer and also an app developer. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. Here's a job which I just delivered for a client, and right here we have the front end interface, we have the home, we have market, we have company, we have resources, and right here we have access a wealth of trading opportunities. Right here we have ultra fast, best in class Forex execution, tier 1. Right here we have live price on popular markets. Right here we have join a club of more than 480,000 trader. We have stocks, we have cryptocurrency, we have commodities, CFD, we have meta. So these are the things you can actually trade on this broker. So right here we have when something is important enough, platform by traders, our roadmap of profitability, starter plan, basic plan, premium plan, elite plan. Right here we have some of the things you may want to know. Right here we have contacts, career, web trader, security. So right here we have the markets. I'm just going to click on it, and right here we have unleash the power of digital assets, investing, trading, wealth management. We have investment advisory, we have smart portfolio, mutual fund advisor, and right here we have our shares offer, Y trade with GIS trade, right here we have our share offers and many more. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and then create an account. So great, I'm just going to go ahead and then put in my first name, Temi. Right here I'm just going to put Timothy. I'm going to go ahead and put my email, right, and then go ahead and specify a phone number, and then right here I'm going to select gender. I'm just going to put male. Right here I'm just going to go ahead and put in my password. I'm just going to scroll down, and right here I'm just going to go ahead and put the security code 2BEE, right, 94. I'm going to scroll down. Right here it says account type, binary option trading, forex trading, stock trading, cryptocurrency. You feel free to choose anyone. I'm just going to click on forex trading and go ahead and then register. So in no time we have an account created already, and right here I have my dashboard interface. So as usual, an email will be sent to my mail that an account has successfully been created on this platform. So as usual, an email will be sent to me showing that I have created an account on this platform and so on. So right here we have a very interesting dashboard, which we have the total balance, we have profits, we have total bonus, we have unverified. Definitely this account is not verified yet. And right here we have someone from Italy. I just withdrawn $4,500. Right here we have total trades. Right here we have open trades. Right here we have close trade. Right here we have win/loss ratios. So right here we have accounts, we have make deposit, we have withdraw funds, and so on. I'm just showing you guys what is happening here. Right here we have crypto assets, we have forex, we have stock. So right here you can go ahead and then choose the trade you want to trade. This is a live trading, and right here we have $10, which is the $0 as current balance. If I click on the forex, we have forex pairs which we can trade, and we can choose our leverage and then go ahead and trade. Select trade duration, amount, trade take profit, and stop loss. Go ahead and then buy or sell the market. Just going to go ahead and then fund this account from the admin dashboard. Just going to go ahead and then copy this and then paste in a new tab. So right here I'm logged into the admin dashboard, and over here we have deposits, we have withdrawal, we have users. I'm just going to go ahead and click on users, so it's display all new users registered on this platform. So right here we have this phone number. I'm just going to go ahead and click on manage, and right here we have my profile details. So right here we have action. I'll just go ahead and then right here I can turn off trade. Here we have login activity, we have block, we have credits, we have set users win rate, we have set withdrawal code, we have notify users dashboard with set clear accounts, add trading history, edit, add referrals, send email, delete this account. So I'm just going to go ahead and then credit these accounts. So right here I'm just going to credit this account with $1,000, right? And then right here I'm just going to select account balance, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click credit, right? Then I'll click submit. So this should have successfully been funded. I'll just go ahead and then refresh. So we have account balance $10,000, right? So we still have unverified account status. So I'll just come over to my KYC and then just go ahead and then so you have not submitted your KYC. I'll complete here to complete your KYC. Please kindly note that this KYC method can also be disabled from the admin. If you don't want users to go through KYC verification, yes, it's fine. You can just go ahead and then disable this feature from the admin, which I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead, and right here we have account. So guys, right here we have the deposit option, and basically under the deposit option you can just go ahead and then make a deposit using Bitcoin, Ethereum. Or the deposit option right here we have Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, Solana deposit method, and many more, depending on the one which is being activated by the admin. So it actually does have some live payment gateway which you can actually use as your payment gateway as a website owner, so that users can be able to pay using their cards and many more. So right here, this is just a notification that the account is not verified because you have not done your KYC. So right here we have the withdraw method. Basically you can just go ahead and then select the method you want to use. Bank transfer, you go ahead and put your bank transfer details and request withdrawal. So right here we have trade. So on this trade section, this is a point whereby you can choose a trade you want to trade, crypto, forex, or stock, and then go ahead and then pick your assets name and then choose your leverage, your take profits, stop loss, and choose the duration you want the trade to last for, and then you go ahead and then place your trade. So in real time you will see your trade results. The cool part about this trade is that an admin can set the number of trade win rates for a user. So let's say for instance an admin sets 30% win rates for all users on this dashboard. So that means there will be more loss on trades than wins, right? That means if there's 30% win rate, that means 70% most time trades are going to be lost automatically, right? So right here we have copy expert. So you can actually copy expert trades and then go ahead and then replicate the same thing. So right here we have profit share 97% win rate Albert bogus, minimum capital $500. So right here we have 96%. I'm just going to select one. I'll click on start copying and then I'll click on yes, start copying. So you have started copying Albert bogus. You have started copying. I'll just click on close. So basically this is how this very one works. So right here we have subscribe. So it's more like whenever Albert bogus place a trade, I'll also be in the same trade because I'm already copying his trades. But right here we have 7% ROI daily starter plan. So this is basically investments. You just go ahead and then select a plan you want to join and then click on yes, join, and then you have successfully purchased a plan and started plan. Your starter plan is now active. Great. So right here we have the NFT. So you can also buy NFTs on this platform. So we have all collections, and I can decide to buy this, which is 48, and then go ahead and click on buy and so on. So right here we have Signal. So these also have the Signal feature whereby you can go ahead and then subscribe to a Signal, and then you get to place trade based on those signals. So right here we already have an account balance of $9,950. So right here we have the Alpha signals, $99, Titan signal, and so you can decide to subscribe to any of this signal. If I click on subscribe and then I click on yes, subscribe to this signal, I will successfully be a part of this Alpha signal, $99, Wednesday, April 30. So this is the time which I literally subscribed for this signal. So right here we have the loan feature. This broker has the loan feature whereby you can go ahead and then request for loan. So right here we have history. This is basically transaction history of whatsoever that has been done on the system. So right here we have history, we have the KYC. This is basically an interface whereby you can actually do your KYC verification. And right here we have transactions. This is basically a view of every transaction that has been done on this system. We have deposits, we have withdrawal, we have orders. So under orders we have $50 plan purchase starter plan, while we have $10,000 balance credit, which was done by the admin. So this is the amount we actually credited initially. So right here we have news. So this is basically company news and so on, blah blah blah. We are not interested in this. I'm just going to scroll down, and then right here we have account settings. So this is basically whereby I can be able to make edits to my profile and then go ahead and then submit. I think the most interesting part is the fact that this guy is blinking. It says not verified, right? And I find it very, very interesting. So it just gives you this reminder that go ahead and then verify your account. And already showing account type Forex trading, because that is what I select. So basically we have our new balance as $9,851, and right here we have total bonus 0.00, total profits we have $0.00. So basically this is how the user's dashboard looks like. So let's go ahead and then explore the admin dashboard. So right here we have the admin dashboard, and under the admin dashboard we have manage users, right? So under manage users we have manage, right? You can take whatever action you want to take on this admin dashboard. So right here we have turn off trade. That means I can decide to turn off trades on the users dashboard. Right now we have the credit/debit, which we just shown earlier on how to be able to debit and then credit a user. So right here we have the set win rate, which was what I initially said, that we can actually set win rates maybe 30, 20 or whatsoever we want to set it to. So right here we have set withdrawal code. So that means if we set withdrawal code, right, the withdrawal code will be asked for before any withdrawal can be made. So this means that if Don Joe wants to withdraw $50, right, we have to ask the admin for a withdrawal code to be able to successfully make that withdrawal, right? So right here we have notify users dashboard, we have reset password, we have clear accounts. Once I click on clear accounts, whatsoever transaction and everything that has been made on that account will be cleared and the account comes back to zero. So right here we have add trading history. That means I can add more trading history to an account. So I can add 50, 100 trading history to an account to make that account looks very legit. So right here we have add referral, we have edit, we have send email. So I can decide to send email to this user. Right here we have block, we have login activity. So I'm just going to click on send email. I can just go ahead and then put in my message subject and then go ahead and send. So right here we have investment, and under here we have the investment plans. So basically these are the investment plans available in the system. We have starter plan, we have basic, we have premium, we have airlights plan. So whichever plan you want your users to go for, you go ahead and then set it. So right here we can go ahead and edit. So right here we have the active investment plan, and basically we have starter plan, which we just literally activated for this user. They mean starter plan $50 7 days. So right here we have the investments, we have investment plans, right? I just want to show you guys something, and right here we can go ahead and then add new plan to be able to create an additional plan. So under the new plan we have plan name, plan price, right? And right here we have plan maximum price, we have plan minimum price, we have plan maximum return, maximum return, minimum return, maximum return. We have gift bonus, plan tag, we have top up type, we have top up interval, we have top up amount, we have investment duration. You go ahead and then add plan. So right here we have manage deposits. This is basically where you can actually manage all your deposits. Right here we have manage withdrawals. This is a platform where you can actually manage all your withdrawal. So right here we have trades, we have create trades for clients. So these are trades you can actually create for clients. All you just need to do is to select a user and create a trade for this client. So right here we have client trades, right? You can actually view all client trades. Right here we have signal plans. You can actually view everyone who has literally subscribed for a signal. And right here we have signal plans. So right here we have signal plans. Basically these are the signal plan users can subscribe to. I'm just going to scroll down. Here we have signals, and this is basically those signals which are provided. Right here we have BTC USD, entry price, take profit, stop loss. So that means if you're subscribed to a package of this signal which allows you to be able to copy trade, so as soon as the signal drops, you'll be automatically be part of those who are in the signal or trading this pair. So right here we have manage expert copy, and this is basically where you can actually create all everyone that users can be able to copy their trades. So right here we have manage NFT. This is basically where you can add new NFT, add price, available, and so on. All you just need to do is come over to add new and to be able to add an additional NFT. So I'm going to scroll down. Right here we have manage loan. This is basically where you can actually see all loan requests, and right here we have this pending action. You can actually approve or reject. So right here we have the email service, and this is basically whereby you can be able to send email to all users and as an admin. So right here we have the KYC application. This is basically where you can actually see all KYC application which were submitted by users. Right here we have manage accounts, we have trading accounts, we have fee settings. So this is basically empty because none has been done yet. We have tax, we have quit tax, we have manage tax, we have leads, and we have administrators, settings, and so on, guys. So the fun part about this project is the fact that even if you have no coding experience, you can actually work with this system, because whatever edits you're actually doing, you can actually do them directly from the admin. All you need to do is come over to settings, go to app settings, and then set whatever you want to set. And if you want to set your payment gateway, come over to payment settings and then set your payment. As I said, we have a lot of payment gateway here, right? Look at, we have bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, credit card, we have payment preference, we have coin, we have payment preference. You can decide to choose manual and whatsoever. We have coin payment, we have gateways, right? We have Stripe, we have PayPal, we have Paystack, we have Flutterwave, we have Binance, right? We have transfer, right? So whereby you can actually turn it on and also turn it off, right? So right here we have for more, right here we have ad manager admins, right? I'm just going to show you guys one more thing, right? Right here we have the referral bonus. So basically under the app setting, this is where you can actually set your website information. Go ahead and put your website name, website title, website link, logo, and so on. So here we have the preference whereby you can actually set your email, right? Your support email or whatsoever. Right now here we have the weekend trades turned off, withdrawal enable, translation on, trade mode on, announcement on, KYC on. So if I do not want KYC anymore for users, I'll just go ahead and turn it off, and then I'll just go ahead and then click on save, right? I'll go ahead and then leave it on and then save changes, right? So I know the question right now is, Whitevon, how do I design a project like this? As usual, in this video I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned, which I said I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to build a broker just like this. So the first thing you need is a domain and hosting. So a domain is basically a URL your user or your subscribers can use to access your website, and then hosting is where you're uploading your files. So having these two things, then we can actually continue. So I'm going to just head up to my hosting. So this is basically my hosting, right? So this is my hosting. I already have a website on my primary domain. I'll just go ahead and then create a subdomain, right? Please apologies that it's showing Spanish. I don't know, I'm literally finding it hard to set it to English consistently. So I'll just go ahead and click create a domain, right? Then I'll call this broker, right? I'm just going to go ahead and click on send. So this will successfully create a subdomain for me. So it said you have successfully created the new domain. Great. I'll just go back. Then I'm going to scroll down right? And then I'm just going to come back here and then bring it back to English. I'm going to click on File Manager. So under File Manager, I should be able to see the subdomain which I created, right? I have to change this. So right here we have the public underscore HTML. I'm just going to click on it, right? And this is the subdomain which we created, which is the broker dots and so on, right? I'm just going to click on this, right? And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then upload the scripts for this project. So to be able to upload, I'll click on this, right? I'm just going to click on this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then select file, right? So once I click on this select file, I'll be able to upload the script for this project. So I'll just go ahead and then select file and upload the script for this project. So basically, while we're waiting for the script to be uploaded successfully, we just go ahead and then set up our database, right? So right here, I'm just going to search my SQL database wizard. So this is basically the interface I'm going to be setting up my database. Right, so right here I'm just going to give these trades, right? Let's say trades, right? I'm just going to go ahead and then copy my database and then just save it, right? Please make sure you save your database details so that you will not forget. I'm just going to go ahead and click on next step, right? So I also call these trades. Then I'll go ahead and put my password and then go ahead and then confirm password, and then right here it says create database. I'll just go ahead and then remove this from translate. Wow. So I'll just go ahead and then create the database, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then select all. Alright, it shows all privilege. This is my database username, my database name, right? And then I allowed all privileges, and right now I'm just going to click on make changes. Great. So I've successfully been able to create my database. So I'm just going to wait while my script gets uploaded successfully. Hi guys, so the script has been updated successfully. I'm just going to go ahead and then extract. I'm going to go ahead and click on extract file. So the file has successfully been extracted. I'm just going to click on close. I'm going to go ahead and reload, right? And right here we have this. I'm going to open this and then I'll just go ahead and then select all, and then I'm going to move, right? I'm just going to move it to the main subdomain. Then I'm going to click on move file. But before I click on move file, I'm going to check this if show hidden file is checked. So, okay, yeah, it's checked. I'm just going to go ahead and click on move and then come right here and then edit this and click on move files, right? So all files have been moved. I'm just going to click on back, and right here we have the SQL, right? So this is the SQL database, right? Then I'm just going to go back. Great. So right here I'm just going to locate the .env file. Then I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click and click on edit, right? So I'm just going to click on edit again, and this is where I'm going to go ahead and then include my database, right? My database detail. I'm just going to paste my database name which I copied, paste my database username which I copied, and then I'm also going to paste my database password which I also copied. Remember I said you guys should copy this. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and give an app name. I'm going to call it stock trade, right? Stock trades. Then I'm going to go ahead and then put my app URL. Remember we created a subdomain called broker, right? .tesla interfin. So it's .com, right? Then I'm just going to go ahead and then remove this. So I need to be sure of the domain Tesla, right? TESLER. Tesla, right? Then we have interfin, right? So I'll just go ahead and then save, right? So the details has been saved successfully. So I'm just going to go ahead and then upload my database. I'll come right here and then type phpMyAdmin. So here we have phpMyAdmin. I'm going to click on it. So right here, this is the database which we created. I'm just going to click on import, and then I'm going to go ahead and then import my database. I'm going to click on choose file. So I've successfully been able to select the database. I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on import. So import has been done successfully. I'm just going to go to the table called admins, and then I'm going to edit my database password. For those who do not know how to modify the database password, I'll go ahead and then change this to gmail, right, .com. Then I'll scroll down, and then I'm going to come over to this place and then scroll down and choose php hash info, and then set this to the new password 1234, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on save. So I'm going to click go, and then the new password has been saved. So right here I'm just going to go to multi ANI, so right here I'm going to go to multi PHP, and then I'm going to go ahead and then change my PHP version to 8.1. So right here we have this. I'll head over to this point and then go ahead and choose EA 8.1, and then I'm going to click apply. So I successfully applied PHP 8.1. So what I need to do right now is to go ahead and then visit my website. I'm just going to click on this plus and then hit this and hit enter. So guys, in no time we have our script successfully installed and our website is live. So right here we have where we're going to put our logo, we have login, we have get started, just exactly like what we had shown in the demo we showcased. So I'm just going to go ahead and then log into the admin. So this is basically the admin link for those who want to know how to log into the admin dashboard. So this is the admin link. I'm just going to hit enter, right? So right here we have this interface. I'm just going to go ahead and put the details which we saved, 1234, which is our password, and then I'm going to click on sign in. So it has redirected us to the admin dashboard. I'm just going to show you guys how to make edits to the settings. I'm just going to go ahead and then scroll down. So under settings, I'm going to open app settings. So under app settings, we have website name, website title, website URL, website keyword, and right here we have logo, we have favicon. Right here we have send email. You can turn it off or turn it on. Right here we have email. So this is basically where you're going to do your email configuration. Go ahead and set up choose SMTP and then set your SMTP configuration. So guys, this is basically the end of this video. If you want to get the script used in this video, kindly check the description of this video. You'll find a WhatsApp number and also our WhatsApp contact you can reach out to. Go ahead and reach out to our customer support and request for the scripts. So guys, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you just watched. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.